Good morning.
Morning.
So welcome back to YouTube. You are joining us here at Sherwood Pines for the
Sherwood
weekend.
Pines on the new glade.
Yeah, so we've got on the new glade this time. Bear's just running me over with his bike. So this is the pitch we're on, fully serviced, hard standing pitch with awning.
Yeah, so
And
this
then,
is the new
because
glade.
we're at the bottom, we can park there instead of having the van in front of a caravan. Come on then, should we go for a bike ride?
Yeah.
Come on then. Yeah, is the new glade. So we're just right down there at the bottom near Chris's van.
I've seen they've built their own new Elson Point.
Oh yeah, so you're not too far. Yeah, so you've got Bins and Nelson Point, but you have got to walk over to facilities, but it's not too far.
Here's the bike rider. Go, go, go! Are you riding your bike? Clever boy. Are we going on a bike ride? Come on. Which way are we going? That way. Do you want to go in the woods?
Come on then.
Influencer in the wild. If it's not YouTube, it's TikTok or Instagram.
Come on, boy. This way.
Come on then.
He can't believe we're letting him play in mud. Come on then.
This way. Yes. Going speedy. Straight in.
Whoa.
Crash.
Get some right.
Was
Come
that
on,
good?
cheeky boy.
You want to do it again? Go on then.
Sorry, I'll start. Mummy carried on walking.
Whoa.
You might have noticed, and I forgot to address it when we started, I put a TikTok on and an Instagram the other day about how caravanning with kids won't be forever and one day they won't want to come. And it's as if no one even watched it and thought, oh, I'll show you, Mum. Because they decided last night, because it was Friday night, they wanted to sleep at Nanny's. Look at him in that puddle. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so us three came to Sherwood Pines last night and Noah and Eve follow at the Nanny and Grandad's. And they're bringing them in a little bit, so...
What a morning, by the way.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It was forecast rain all week. And Chris kept saying, should we try and cancel? But look at this. Yeah, so if you're wondering where they are, they'll be joining you shortly.
There. You seen the helicopter, look?
Oh, wow, what's that?
Look at that.
You know he loves his bike when he's gone straight past play area. And
Yeah,
then even asked if he can play, because normally...
he's like, playground,
Oh,
playground.
Noah's ringing me. Hi, Noah.
He's on YouTube.
I have, I'm YouTubing you. Say hi, Tube. So this is the little rascal that decided he'd rather boot. Oh, he's got Theo. That's my nephew. Oh, and my other nephew, Parker. Say hi, YouTube.
Not happening.
Hello, YouTube.
See, Theo said it. I don't know how I feel about this.
What are you doing? Are you coming down?
And off he goes again. Just a little bear out in the wild, doing what he loves best. Is this not just the epitome of mum life? He's found the deepest puddle and gone straight in it with his bike.
In.
What are you in, Bear?
Puddles.
Muddy puddles.
Just make sure you don't fall over because you'll be freezing.
And new, starting next week, there's a new trail. So there's room on the broom. Just starting. We just found it. All signs are up ready.
Good save.
Not that Bear's bothered, he just wants to run, bless him.
Just got a right slide on.
How stunning. What more could you want on a Saturday morning? Crisp, cold weather, dry. Your little boy, absolutely loving it. What is it, darling?
Pig.
It's not a pig. We're lost.
Come on. Push. Push.
Being summoned.
Come on.
And this here is the new playground that they've just put on. Looks quite cute, really. It's a lot more for little tots than the other one. So there's this one here, and then there's also a little sand one there that Chris won't let go anywhere near, probably. Don't like sand, do you, darling? And he's off, bless him. 1, 2, 3. He's in there, bless you.
Go on then.
Clever boy.
Whoa.
Yay!
Ready? Go. Was that good? You want to jump?
That's a bit high, that.
Go on then. Jump. Good boy.
Right, next one. Next one. You got your feet on? Are you on? Put your knee on. Go on then. Are you on?
Clever boy.
Well done. You're going on the wobbly bridge. Ready? Wobbly, 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 wobbly. Sorry.
Mommy, stop.
Clever boy.
Where are you going?
Are you adventuring?
What you got? You got a snake?
What about the bag? I'm going to hold the bag.
Say thank you, Mummy. For a drink, girl.
Yeah, man.
What we having? Hot chocolate. Right. Time for a coffee and a warm. Go on then, Mummy. Lead us the way. Oh, somebody's tired. Have you been riding your bike and got tired? Are you very tired?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was you riding your bike too much?
No one should. No, they can't go. No, they can't.
You want to go to Daddy's caravan?
No.
No. You want to go to the shop?
No.
What do you want to do?
Well, shopping.
You want to go shopping?
Just the toys and shopping.
You want to see if there's some toys at the shopping?
Oh, let's go see.
Main entrance, in and out of the campsite, and then reception and a little shop. It's actually quite a good shop, this one, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, good though.
And I even think they've got a couple of EV car charging points in here, haven't they? In car park, yeah. Which is a nice touch if you're towing with an electric vehicle, or you've got a motorhome and you bring an electric car with you.
You want an ice cream? Yeah.
It's a bit fresh for an ice cream.
It is a bit fresh for an ice cream.
All the snacks, ice creams. Look at that, they even sell, like, I didn't see this last time, games and colours.
You can have an ice cream, darling. It's freezing.
Barbecue if for whatever reason you forgot yours. Oh no. Look what I've seen, girl.
Oh, well, you'll have to get me some of that for later. It's really warm.
The famous. So what is the preferred snack of a 2-year-old in January? A lollipop. Are you happy now? Yeah, good. What are you unboxing? So what have you got, girl? An Eco Fuego El Campo,
Yep.
which is the wax fire pit. So no wood burning, no embers giving off. It's theoretically just a big like wax fire pit, isn't it?
Extra what? Extra lighter. Lightly exposed square-shaped cardboard wick with a mask, lighter or blowtorch. Avoid touching the wick as it can be delicate.
Is it like the cord? Is that why it's open? See, that's badge.
So it's set up. There we are. And it's a wax fire pit, so you're not burning any wood. There's no ashes.
Yeah, it doesn't give off any embers.
Yeah,
It's
so
basically just a wax burn.
yeah, it's like a big candle.
Yeah, it's smart.
Yeah. And this, you can use them on all Caravan and Motorhome Club
Yeah, it's the
caravan
only
sites as well.
only fire pit approved by the Caravan and Motorhome Club. And we are currently at Sherwood Pines, and they had a thing with no fire pit and burning wood and stuff like that. But
Yeah.
they've said that they've got no problem with this. They had somebody over Christmas with one. They were really intrigued by it, and they were more than happy for us to use it. And anybody
So if you're
else,
coming to Sherwood Pines, you're not allowed to burn wood, but you can bring an eco-fuego. So this is the El Campo one in black. And this is it, look. This is a little square at the top. You like that bit. And then you leave it in, and when you're finished, you just extinguish it with the lid. And when it's cooled down, it's solidified again, so when it looks like a wax candle again, you can pop it in the bag. And we love it when something comes with a bag, don't we?
love a carry bag. An accessory bag.
Honestly, every single thing in our van that we bring caravanning has got its own bag, from Isabella to the alog fire, even to the canisters for the alog fire. He's blowing it.
Are you blowing it? How do you put it out? How do you turn it? Blow it.
Like that. And the fire is gone. Right, Spider-Man wants to watch you eat your dinner bar. Come on. Right, shall we put something on the iPad that you and Eve can watch together? Come to the caravan, and where do you find Noah? Laid on his phone.
This is live.
Right then. And these two cuties just eating the din-dins. Is it nice, Belle?
Yeah.
What you got, Bear?
So Bear decided this morning that he wanted eggs for breakfast. So what better way than an alog fire, a tapas dish, cooking the eggs. And obviously morning wouldn't be a morning without a coffee for Dad. So it's good morning from a very wet Sherwood Pines. So it's pack up morning, but Bear's decided this morning that he'd like some eggs for breakfast. So I thought I'd come outside, I'd have a coffee. Thanks for the mug, alog fire. But even better than that, I thought 2 birds, 1 stone. Just sat out here, a brew, little fire, cooking the eggs at the same time. That's what camping's all about. Well, can we really call it camping? I'm in a 6-berth caravan, but yeah, it's nice to be out and have a little bit of quiet, just enjoy a brew to myself.
Hello. So you've not seen me yet today because I've been looking after the kids and sorting the inside of the caravan out, but we're a little bit late. It's 11:30. We were meant to be off by 11 and we're still packing up. Chris has been talking, so we're running a little bit behind schedule. Bear's still in his pyjamas, but we're nearly ready to go now. We have to divide and conquer with 3 kids. So he does outside, I do inside and look after kids. But he always gets talking, and then we always end up running behind schedule. So he's just at the minute doing the electric cable. And then are we ready to go?
We will be, yeah. Only what?
Half an hour late. Yeah. You were talking for about 20 minutes though.
Can't help it when... I'm sure Danny won't mind.
So, Danny, if you're watching, get looking for my co-juicers because somebody's going to buy an analog fire. Chris has been doing an egg this morning, doing eggs for Bear. So, someone's come over and asked about it and he's told them about the code. So, hopefully, and if anybody else is thinking about getting an analog fire, if you use code Saunders, you'll get free delivery that's worth $9.99. Or, if you're going to NEC, make sure you go and see him. You might see some familiar faces on the screen, on the stand. So we've decided that we're not going to put the specialised toe cover on for the first time today, just because it's that dirty from the weather. We're a bit worried that it might get scratched and we haven't had time to wash it. We're going to get the kids in the car, we're going to get hitched up and we're going to get home, and I'll do a couple of shots of us leaving. So as ever, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. The next one might be taking the caravan for a service. Will that be a YouTube? Can you make that into a YouTube?
Not really, I'm doing it on my own.
Well, yeah, you will be doing it on your own, but you could take the camera with you. No, I don't like that idea.
We'll see.
As of yet, we're not out again till the end of February because Ethel's having an operation on Thursday this week, so we're waiting to see how she recovers. But hopefully we'll see you before then. If we don't, we'll see you for the first ever Chatsworth caravan upgrade. How exciting. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to see more of us, we do post daily uploads on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. It's goodbye from the forest and goodbye from Sherwood Pines, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.